Hello my lovely children. Welcome back to maths class.
Hi ma'am.
Hi Rupa. Rupa, today we are going to deal with beautiful topic.
Beautiful topic ma'am.
Yes.
Which topic ma'am?
Tables.
Table.
Yes, today we are going to learn tables.
Okay ma'am.
Tables are very important in the fast calculation. So when we are calculating, to calculate the problem fast, tables are very useful, and I am going to explain you the meaning of the tables as well as pronunciation.
Okay ma'am.
You have to by heart.
Okay ma'am, I will buy hat ma'am.
You have to by heart the tables.
Okay ma'am, I will buy hat ma'am.
Okay, you have to by heart, and will not be any problem, when it comes to calculation.
Okay.
Calculation becomes very easy.
Okay ma'am.
Now I will say the meaning and pronunciation of the tables
Okay ma'am.
and the meaning of the table.
Okay ma'am.
I will explain you. Shall I explain?
Okay ma'am.
Rupa, today we will learn how to pronounce two ones are two tables.
Okay ma'am.
Rupa, here you can see two ones are two. Some are pronouncing za. Two ones are two. You should not pronounce za. Instead of za, what you have to pronounce? R. A-R-E. R. This is wrong method. Okay? You have to pronounce R.
R.
A-R-E. R.
Okay ma'am.
I'll pronounce. You also pronounce with me. Also should say with me. Okay? See here. 2 into 1 equals 2.
2 into 1 equals
2. You can see here. 2 into 1 equals 2.
Okay ma'am.
See here. How many 2's are there here?
Here only 1 2 ma'am.
Only 1 2 is there.
Yes,
so only 1 2. 1 time 2 equals 2 only. 1 time 2 equals 2.
Only.
How to pronounce? 2 ones are 2.
2 ones are 2.
Very good. Once again you pronounce.
2 ones are 2.
You have to pronounce the tables in this way only.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now next, 2 into 2 equals 4.
2 into 2
Equals 4.
4.
Here, how many 2's are there?
Here 1 2.
So
Two
here
2's are there,
2
ma'am.
times 2's are there.
Yes ma'am.
2 plus 2. So when you had 2 plus 2, how much you will get?
4.
4. When you had 2 plus 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Multiplication is nothing but addition, repeated addition. You can see here 2
Yes, ma'am.
times 2 is there 4.
Here
When you
addition.
had, you will get 4.
4.
2 2's are 4.
2 2's are
4. 2 into 3
2 into 3
equals 6. How much you got? 2 into 3
equals
6. Here you can see here how many 2's are there?
1 2 3.
Yes.
3 2's
3.
ma'am.
3 times 2's are there. See here 3 into 2.
2 into 3.
So 3 times 2 are there. So when you had 2 plus 2 plus 2, first you add 2 plus 2. How much you will get? 2 plus 2?
Plus 2 4 ma'am.
4. For 4, if you add again 2, you will get
6.
6. So how to pronounce?
2
3's are 6. 2 3's are 6. Next, 2 into 4 equals 8.
2 into
4 equals 8. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is there. 4 2's are there.
Yes ma'am. 4
4
2's are
times
there, ma'am.
2 is there.
Yes ma'am.
See 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. When you add all together, you will get 8.
8.
Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So, how you will pronounce? 2 fours are 8. Say, 2 fours are 8. Now, 2 into 5 equals 10. Say, you also once again.
2 into 5 equals 10.
10. You can see here how many 2's are there. Will you count?
Yes, ma'am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Five.
5 times is
5 times 2 is there.
ma'am.
When you add, see here 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 will get 4. For 4 if you add again 2, 6. For 6 if you again add 2,
8.
if you add for 8 to
10.
10. So you will get 10. 2 5's are 10. How to pronounce? 2 5's are 10.
2 5's are 10.
It is very easy, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now 2 into 6 equals 12.
2 into 6 equals 12.
12. You can see here how many 2's are there here.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 2 are there.
ma'am.
When you add all together, you will get 12. So how to pronounce? 2 6's
are
2 6's are 12.
2 6's
Are 12. Now next, which number is there?
2 into 7 equals 1 4 14.
14. Very good. 2 into 7 equals 14. You can see here how many 2's are there.
Shall I count, ma'am?
Count.
1, 2,
2,
3, 4, 5, 6,
7.
7
When you
times
add
2's are
all,
there.
you will get 14. Okay. How to pronounce? We will see. 2 7's
2 7's
are 14.
2 7's are 14.
2 7's are 14.
2 7's are 14.
14. Now next we'll go 2 into
2 into
8
8
equals
equals
16.
16.
I will explain once again. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. How many 2's are there? Can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8 times 2 are there,
Yes,
isn't
ma'am.
it? 8 times 2 are there. When you count 8 times 2 plus 2, like you will get 16.
16. 1, 6,
16. How to pronounce? 2 8's are 16.
2 8's are
16. Now 2 into 9
2 into 9
equals 18.
equals 18.
You can see here 9 times 2 are there. Count and see.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
9. 9 times.
ma'am.
So 9 times 2 gives 18.
18.
Na-
1, 8,
18.
18. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. How to pronounce it? 2 9's are 18.
2 9's
Are 18. Next 2 into
2 into
10
10
equals
equals
20.
20.
20. Now you can see here. Will you count and say how many 2's are there here?
Shall I count, ma'am?
Count, ma.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
10. How
10
many times are there?
ma'am.
2?
10 times, ma'am.
10 times 2 are there. When you count 2 plus 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 2, you will get 10. When you add together all, you will get 20. 10 times 2s are there.
Yes, ma'am.
Now how to pronounce 2 tens are 20.
2 tens are 20.
You understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Now once again shall we learn the tables?
Okay, ma'am.
2 ones are 2.
2 ones are 2.
2 twos are 4.
2 twos are 4.
2 threes are 6.
2 threes are 6.
2 fours are 8.
2 fours are 8.
2 fives are 10.
2 fives are 10.
2 sixes are 12.
2 sixes are 12.
2 sevens are 14.
2 sevens are 14.
2 eights are 16.
2 eights are 16.
2 nines are 18.
2 nines are 18.
2 tens are 20.
2 tens are 20.
Once again both we will.
Okay, ma'am.
Say 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are 12.
12.
2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 2 tens are 20.
2 tens are 20.
Rupa, you have to by heart the tables in
Okay,
this
ma'am.
method
I'll buy
only.
it and come, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.